heard somebody the other day explain when to use Claude Chat versus Cowork versus Code, and they explained it as Chat is your assistant, Cowork is your employee, and Code is your developer. That doesn't actually tell you when to use each one. So I came up with a key question, which is, what's the time horizon for your work? And if you need answers now, you're gonna go with Chat. If you have a work session, you're gonna go with Cowork. And then if you have a project where you're gonna have multiple sessions, you're gonna go with Code. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you some examples so you're not confused about this ever again. By the way, my name is Alejo. I've worked with Claude for thousands of hours at this point. I've been in the world of data science and AI engineering for the last 8 years, and I run my own company, Amplify Voice AI, where we build voice AI systems for companies. So if you're ready, lay your hair down and let's figure this out together. So let's start with the one that you're most familiar with, which is Claude Chat. You're looking for answers right now, okay? And in abstract terms, that means like researching a topic or a one-off question with not much follow-up. There's nothing to get done. You just want information. Or say brainstorming. What that actually looks like in practice is something like this. I had an issue with my voice agents. They were costing more than we expected, and I started investigating why. And we came to the question like, how does Twilio charge for minutes? Because I was getting charged like a full minute for 5 seconds. And this was outside of the US. That was happening exclusively. So deep dive into this and help me figure it out. How did I know to ask Claude Chat and not Cowork or Code, which, you know, when it comes to building the voice agents, we use Claude Code. Well, it was this question: what's the time horizon of my work? This is a contained question that I just look for a quick answer, okay? I didn't need a full work session around it, so I knew to rely on Claude Chat. Added benefit is that I can always use the research, and it will go deep research for 5-10 minutes and then properly come back with the answer. So it's not necessarily about the complexity of the question, but the time horizon of is there more work that is coming after this? Let's say that it was, hey, I'm building a single voice agent for my company, and then I might lean on Cowork. I want to figure out this cost issue and then say move from Twilio to Telnix, a different voice provider. So then that would be kind of a whole work session. But let me give you a more concrete example of when I've actually used Claude Cowork. This is one sitting that has a beginning and it has an ending. And what I did was I created a meta ads speed to lead system. What does this mean? I wanted to help dealerships sell more cars and get them leads and then get paid for every single one of those leads. How do we find those leads? How do we qualify them? That's where this system comes in. So running ads on Instagram and Facebook with the available cars in a specific dealership, the person might like a car, fill out a form on Instagram, and the moment that they fill out a form, they get a call from a voice agent. Identify people that are just browsing and people that are actually interested. So those people that are actually interested, we would book an appointment with that voice agent and then send a notification to the dealership that they have a new lead. If that person shows up to their appointment, then I get paid a commission. It's a pretty complex system, but I was guided by the question, what's the time horizon? I was just trying this out. So a single Claude Cowork session was enough. All of this was done with a single prompt. And this same system helped me find dealerships on Instagram to reach out to sell the same system to. And man, it went off. It did a ton of research on winning ads, on the right dealerships, on the right city to choose. And then it built a whole Facebook page and then run the ads through this Facebook page. It was very fun to build. It was absolutely insane. And if you want to see how I built this live, step by step, my whole reasoning and everything, I'll leave the links below to the 2 live sessions that we did end to end. So I'll leave this link below to the school community. But let me be honest, like Cowork hit a ceiling. And that ceiling is I can really only do it once for one client. It's very hard to make Cowork sessions repeatable, even if you're using projects. So I would use code if I want to make it repeatable, if I want to productize it. So Cowork was my validation. Is this a good business idea? Claude Code is how I build a full production system. What does that really mean? Well, if I want to do outreach at scale, if I want to build several of these systems for several clients at the same time, then I'm using code. And I'll give you the perfect example with my own business, which is Family Law Voice, where we help family law firms make more money by automating the intake of new clients. And although Claude Cowork can build this whole website by itself, it doesn't need Claude Code. We had a whole backend where people actually go in, log in. But we didn't build this for one law firm, we built it for many law firms. So, guiding question, what's the time horizon of this work? Very easy to answer. We have to build this with Claude Code. And what is so special about Claude Code that allows for that permanence, for that long horizon project? Well, it's three things. It's Claude.md, which is a system prompt. You've probably heard of that before. Skills and planning mode. And you're probably still trying to wrap your head around like how to use Claude Code effectively. So I built this video for you. Even if you used it before, it's going to be really helpful. 90% of everything that you need to know, compressed and actionable. The link is right here above me and it's going to be below in the description. Let's recap. What I just showed you is going to save you so many hours. So using chat to try to figure out what was wrong with my voice agent's tools, which I've made that mistake in the past. Why are these tools failing? Here's the call recording. I should have been using code. So now you know that chat is for answers that you need now. Cowork is for a sitting work session, and Claude Code is for a project that will have permanence. You will keep building it over time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps show it to other people. We can all get better together. My name is Alejo, and please remember to never stop prompting.